Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of MILLERTIME Family Foods and Gardening. I got the whole family today here with us because we are excited about fingers out of the mouth. Anyway, so we're excited because we finally was able to get this video together to do the 100 subscription celebration giveaway. And so that is what we're going to do, and we're going to let the little ones participate in this and help us out on who is going to be the blessed winner. Who's going to be the fortunate one to get the Whole Shabang Seasoning. But this is kind of full, and the newer names have been put on top, so we're going to drop the names into this pan right here. And we're going to shake it around a little bit, and then we are going to let the children pick them out, and we're going to drop, the kids are going to drop the one name in every box. I really don't have a lot of room here, but
I can make that.
hold on a second. No. All right, stick them back in there. All right, I'm gonna hook them up, and just kind of throw them around, make sure everything's in here. All right, here we go. We're gonna let the little ones start grabbing. Grab one, Selah.
Just one.
Just grab one. Okay. Oh, which one do you want? Oh, she wants one down there. Okay, stick it in that box right there.
Yeah.
All right, Enoch, you grab one, buddy.
Just one.
Stick in that box right there.
Yep.
All right, Selah, grab another one. Stick in that box right there. Yep. Ooh, it's like a basketball. Go ahead, buddy. Grab one. Stick it right here. Right here. Boom. There you go. Selah, right here. All right. Yep. Enoch.
Bring that box to him.
I will. Go grab one, buddy.
Let me choose. Let me choose.
I want that one.
That one right there. Okay, put it in there.
I have it. I like these peppers.
All right, give it back to
All
Daddy.
right, good
All
job.
right, and then one more for Selah. Nope, just one, Selah. You got two there. All right, grab that. All right. All right, so we got the names picked out. After this drawing, I'm going to be doing 2 challenges, so stay tuned for that as well. All right, here we go. See, can we get the? I need you to sit right down here.
You can go ahead and spin it. You just.
Here we go. We're going to spin the wheel. And here we go. So if you guys are looking right here, here is the arrow. You should be able to see it. I've adjusted the color so you can see it now. It's a silver spot. But here we go. And away we go. Spin, 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 spin. And we got 4. Box number 4. Anyway, who is the winner?
Me.
Excited about this for whoever this is.
Who's gonna win?
Chad Imsweiler. You are the winner.
I won?
No, Chad.
No,
Chad won.
Chad.
All right. All right, guys, go ahead. Go over there.
Go get down.
All right, guys. We're going to step into and get with it here with a kind of challenge. So I'm about to open a package I got in the mail. I received this probably a month or so ago, and I haven't even touched it. Look, it's still sealed. I got it from GRIZZLY Heat, from Rhett, from GRIZZLY Heat. 3 of his tinctures are in here. You know, I've never, ever had a tincture before. So this ought to be interesting.
He put the names of the tinctures on paper twice. So there's 2 papers with one of the tincture names on it. And we're going to take the tincture name and we're going to put it inside of a box. And then when we spin, whatever box it lands on is the tincture he's going to, I guess, drink.
Anyway, get that Spyderco. Boom. This is one sharp knife. Anyway, so we're going to open up the package here.
That's a pretty package. I like the color of that.
Nice color,
Nice.
Rhett. Nice color, buddy.
Very nice.
Anyway, what I did, do a full Robbie. It's part of the 100 subs. And I've never done one of these before. I don't know how hot this stuff is. And you know, I've been hitting the pods and stuff, but I've kind of backed off on the pods the last couple days. I don't know how the tolerance goes up and down quickly, or it may take a little bit. Anyway, we got Kodiak. If you can see these or not. Kodiak, Grizzly Reaper, and Crimson Fury. Anyway, they literally look nice. They're nice and clear.
Okay. So 2 of these say Kodiak.
Who's that
2
Kodiak?
of these say, what's the other name?
Crimson Fury.
Crimson Fury. And then another 2 pieces of paper say, what was the last one?
Grizzly Reaper.
Grizzly Reaper.
All right, go ahead, honey.
Okay, so I haven't looked at these. I've just been shuffling them really good to make sure that they're spaced out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right.
All right. Spin the wheel.
Okay.
She's gonna spin it.
Okay.
Good spin. Good spin.
Thank you. And 7.
7. That'll be this guy right here. Is it the favor of the Lord or the judgment or the judgment of the Lord?
The Grizzly Reaper.
It's the judgment of the Lord. No.
That's his chastisement.
No, it's like that's not the one I want. Oh no. Okay. And away we go. All right. So there's the Crimson Fury. We'll put it up. Oh, Jason from Late for Work said, "Why don't you just do all 3 of them?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'll go ahead and pass on that. I ain't doing all 3. I've never even done them before."
They're different colors too.
Yeah.
Like,
So there it is.
That one's it's like an amber. It almost has like an amber color to it. It's very pretty.
Here we go. We're gonna open it. I don't know what I'm getting myself into here.
What are you gonna do? Just drop it in your mouth?
Yeah.
Wow.
All right.
Don't
Really don't have this. Really
Let
don't
me smell.
Yeah, I can smell that pepper. Oh, there's that.
Let me smell it.
Oh my gosh, this is Reaper, man.
Ooh.
Oh no, guys. And I gotta
It
realize.
almost smells like vanilla.
Yeah, it does smell like a little vanilla.
Like vanilla.
I gotta be able to recoup to do the other, the Scorcher Torture by 2 Late for Work. I've gotta get ready to do that one. So, gosh, Lord have mercy. And this is a challenge. This is a personal thing. This is nothing like like a time or anything like that. So we're just gonna let it rip.
Let it go.
They're going in 1, 2, 3, 2. No.
What does it taste like?
Reaper.
Tastes like a Reaper? It has another flavor?
No, I mean it tastes like a what do they call it? Chinson? Sayla.
Sayla, don't go in your room, babe. We're still doing a video. You're not gonna if you
Hiccups.
want to film it, go.
Hiccups.
Oh no, you got hiccups. What in the world?
It actually tastes nice.
I've never heard you have hiccups before. Ever.
I was gonna say, hey, that it don't burn so bad, but I forgot. It's Reaper. Oh, I'm already crying. Oh,
Oh my gosh. Wow. That sucks. All that spice is getting regurgitated back into your mouth. Every hiccup. Oh goodness. So you said it didn't have a flavor, like a.
yeah, it's not a flavor.
What's it? What's
It's
the
a
flavor besides a Reaper?
It's smooth.
Yeah.
Oh man, that burns.
Is it a good burn?
It's painful.
Dad, how much did you do? A full dropper?
Yep.
So what exactly do you use tincture for? Besides dropping it in your mouth. You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
It's hot. Ugh. Burns the back of your throat, man. That's intense.
Looks like it.
Come on.
Want some?
No. Will you hand me the other tinctures real quick?
Burnt my ears.
I think that's probably the. Here, I need you to go up for a second, baby. Here, stand up right here. All right, because I want to smell these while your dad's writhing in pain. So the Crimson Fury. Which one did you do? The Kodiak?
No.
Oh, you did the Grizzly Reaper. Yeah, so it's like an amber color. To me, it smelled like vanilla. It smells very, very, very like it's hot, very hot. And the Kodiak is like a darker color. They kind of smell the same. Yeah, they pretty much smell the same. No, you cannot go on Daddy's lap. Daddy's hurting right now. You can get on my lap though, yeah. Are you just throw up? Is it going down at all?
A little bit. Oh, my face is tingling now. I think the endorphins kicked in or something.
You got a deliverance session.
All right. Well, give me a little bit, and we're going to start this scourge of torture.